I'm Jacques Renier. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Minima, what we do and why we do it. My background is in architecture and I've had a passion for wood my entire career, both in buildings and in product. It was really the evolving field of digital fabrication, digital design and fabrication that got me interested and into product design. As with my architecture, I'm really interested in the detail. And with digital design and fabrication, essentially CNC manufacturing technology, whatever one can think, one can design, down to the tiniest, most granular detail. I mean, for example, the cutting tolerance of a CNC machine is sort of 0.05 millimeters. So the challenge then I set to myself was to design a range of initially lighting that could clip together using just inherent tension and compression forces in the wood without having to rely on any metal fasteners or having to use any tools to assemble. Also due to costs in architecture, most buildings are, most lines are straight and most forms are rectilinear. And with product design, and particularly using wood in combination with CNC technology, one can do explore all types of interesting geometries and curves, which has also been really something that has inspired me. So I'd say for our products, the appeal of our products would be the simplicity, interesting geometries, curved shapes, the fact that for some of them that they can clip together, which allows for flat black transport, which is very sustainable. We're not having to ship big boxes of air, and then also of course because they're made of wood. Wood or bamboo, and wood is the most sustainable product that one can use. So from our roots as a small home-based business, essentially in my garage for the first year or so, we launched the brand essentially in 2014 at the Design in Derby Expo, and we now for the last couple of years have been situated in a factory and design studio in Capricorn Business Park in Muizenberg, Cape Town, which is a wonderful place to be. And our lighting and furniture products can be seen in many homes, hotels and restaurants around South Africa and some abroad. We export to many parts of the world. So all of our products are hand finished, and our dedicated team here share my passion for wood. And we all find great fulfillment in creating our unique collections of lighting and furniture. Thank you.